Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to swap out your license plate lights when you get a 7-gen Nissan Maxima 2009 to 2014. So I'm gonna set you up on the tripod and let's get it. All right, so for this part, you're gonna need a Pry Tool. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So just get in between and pull out. Oh, one more right here, so 14. Now for these, just pull them out. Now for this, just work it around. Our emergency latch. Fella. I'll put this right here. All right, for this part, you got 1, 2. Oh, this one's missing. It's supposed to be 3. Well, you take out those 3 10 mils. Alright, this stud is broke. The whole thing's spinning. There we go. So, alright, and then you want to pinch in on this tab and pinch in and push it outwards. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. My hand's too big for this little section. Alright. I'm gonna get pliers because I'm scratching in the hell. Well, this is hurting the hell out of my back of my hand, so I'm gonna get some pliers and do that. Alright. Alright, that's out. If you got smaller hands than I do, probably be a whole lot easier, but if you got big hands like I do, this small section is a pain in the butt. Alright. Now, I'll show you in a minute. I'm gonna disconnect this real quick. And I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Something just broke off. I don't know what it was. So luckily I had a spare. So this one got all the hardware. Nothing's broken, anything. So what you wanna do, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Feed this through. That's so. And then feed the screw through. Make sure it sits flush. You have to squeeze it in, that way it can be seated properly. So once it's fully seated, that's how it should look. And then just line where all the screws go in, line them up. And just push down. You got all of them lined up. Alright. Sorry, I had to sit y'all down that way I could push the license strap back, clip it into place. So I'm gonna put these 5/16 nuts back on. Now to tighten it, I'm not going to use it till this clicks. I'm going to go very slow. Alright, so as soon as I feel the drill turn a bit, that's as tight as I'm doing it. Alright. And this we want to reconnect. Alright, so now we can put this back on. So slide it over the trunk latch, over that. And then for this, you want to work the emergency latch. You could either work it around, but it's gonna be harder to do with one hand. So you can work it around, do one side and do it that way. Or another way on the back side, there's little pins. So just reach back here, push on the sides. There we go. So you just pinch on the sides and then it will also come off. So that's two ways you can do that part. So if you do it this way, just pull this through like that. Do the same thing, put it over the latch, over that. And then you want to get these and just push and it should lock it into place. You gotta push it all the way in, that way these could grip the inside of the trunk and lock into place. Alright. And then we just put all the little garments back in. I thought that one was all the way in, but I'll get it in a minute. It's probably bent. I got a spare one, so I'll just replace it, see if it is that one. This one came apart. Alright, I got another one, let's see. So it was the one that fell on the floor. It was bent, so this one, that's actually stuck, so the other one was damaged. And then to put this in, just push it back into its hole, and voila. So that is how you replace your license plate trim molding on a 7-gen Nissan Maxima 2009 to 2014. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.